Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Training Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. So I still have three pairs from last week, from last forecast. They started to move last week, but I didn't get chance to enter them. So I want to cover them because we might get some opportunities there if we, of course, get our signals. Two new pairs and, of course, gold. For me, market is still a little bit slow because many pairs are waiting for something or they are just forming possible scenarios. So of course we have to wait. I cover more in my live trading room, of course, when I focus on all kind of the strategies. Now, if you want to join, go and visit my website dedicated to my mentorship program, because whenever you sign up to this program you will also get access to the advanced trader program, where is my live trading room twice a week. If you are interested more, just leave your name and email and I will get back to you. This is also a good chance to start, because if you start now, we will finish definitely before end of the year this program, and from the beginning of the year you will get everything. I mean, strategy, trading plan, mindset. So it will be good to start in this way. As you can see here, this is what I cover during my training. Of course, we always start first from the mindset part. Even if you are new to trading, this is for me the most important part. And if you want to learn more, give some information about details, here you have my prices and examples of what I cover in my mentoring programs. Okay, so now let's go to our MetaTrader to see what we might get. And like I said, AUDCAD, same pair last week. You see, we draw the lines, resistance, next resistance. Price is bouncing on the 12 right now, pushing up, so this might be continuation move to the previous top, of course, like always, and then after breakout we can have moved to this area. We also expect that, or at least we said that maybe price will retrace a little bit deeper to this, and from this level we will be looking for buys. For now it seems that it might do go with this daily long 1 to 3. As you can see, very nice setup, as you can get here, long 1 to 3. Now it's pushing up. This is our target. So if we go to lower time frames right now, if we go to for our chart, we need to, this was our trend line to the tree line. For our time frame, we need to wait for retracement right now. So this will be our possible setup. Whenever we get the retracement on the 4-hour chart, we will get a long 1 to 3. This is where we want to enter. Whenever we get the signal target, of course, previous stop, and then of course we will see what will happen next. If you go to 1-hour chart, there was no chance to enter with at least no my approach, because there was no signal to then take this on the 1-hour chart. Right now, if you are a scalper, day trader, if you get retracement, if you see like this 1-hour chart, long 1 to 3, you can combine this with the 5-minute, 1 minute as a late entry scenario. Otherwise, 4-hour chart retracement and then long entries. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. As we can see here, price is also pushing up. Yes, so we had this long 1 to 3, and now there is momentum. Momentum, of course, is visible on the weekly chart with those white strong candles. Previous stop, our target. So if you go to daily chart, this is a little bit different situation, because I personally would like to get daily retracement first and then look for possible long scenarios. We already tried this pair here to take longs, but we were stopped out with this spike, and then price went up, unfortunately without, I think, any signal. So right now, 4-hour daily chart, at least I would like to see this then combinations with lower time frames. And as you can see here, no, we had this move, there was no option to enter. Here we had this 1 to 3, but it was during the news. As you can see, price reacted very fast. It was not possible to catch this trade. Right now, the only thing which we can do is to look for the day trading scenarios. So 4-hour chart retracement, 15-minute entries, 5-minute entries if price decide to continue. This is your line. So basically, whenever price start to, if I go to 15-minute chart, if I see that price is breaking this, it's making high low, this will be my signal to jump in. If we have breakout here, basically we would really like to see this and then breakout. As you can see here, it was not possible to catch this trade. Not in the classic way. If you trade with the pending orders, then yes, but this is news, so it could also go completely different way. So now it's easy to say, yeah, it will be nice to take it, but in the real life, when you trade, sometimes those trades are not simply possible, even if they looks quite interesting now. Okay. Euro Aussie, it's forming daily short 1 to 3. So price already reached our target. I don't know if you were in this trade, but there was aggressively, we could look for this 1 to 3 against the main direction or something like that. Yes, aggressively, because it's not easy to spot against the main direction. This is the line also. Target, of course, was reached daily 36 EMA. But like I said, this is aggressive way. And now what we see, of course, on the weekly chart, we are in the kind of the range. It's not clear range for me, like I always like to see. I mean about this. Okay. So it's like something similar to range. Definitely not now. Volatility is pointing down. However, we reached this previous bottom. So our price, of course, make reactions on the lower time frames, gain momentum, breaks this, and continue next. Or we will be still after reaction, maybe another retest, bounce, and we will still be in this area here. We will see. Daily chart looks nice because this chart, you see, we get momentum. Now we have this daily short 1 to 3. So this is our situation where we are interested to look for sales to target previous bottom. Okay, this is our trend line here on the daily chart. So if this holds and price reject this short scenario target, this definitely. Whenever price breaks this area, there is also zone of the resistance on this here, as you can see. Whenever this is broken, we can expect for price to maybe change direction. But because weekly chart is for me without clean movement, I will need to see the breakout and what will happen. Now it's difficult to say. Next area of the resistance for this pair, if it breaks, is around here. But again, this is, you see, we have a lot of spikes, noise. So if we have charts like that, it's always more difficult to trade because you never know which level will be more important. Now, as you can see here, price is breaking our 36 EMA. There was also a chance to get long 1 2 3, and this is still possible to buy it. Okay, to buy it and target trend line 36, this whole area, because maybe price will make double top and then, let's say, continue to go down. Okay, so pay attention for that to look for buys, but this will be aggressive. Now you see price is breaking this line, so of course we want to be interested in sell. However, I personally would like to see lower low. It might create lower low if we just take those lows, but this will be aggressive, okay, for me, because I would like to see clearly that price is breaking this spike, okay, and then, so there are two ways: or you jump in after this setup, yes, but you see this might be like a lower low or double bottom. So then, but the condition is there because we have trendline breakout, or you simply say, no, I want to see clearly that price stays below, and after that, you look for sells. Okay, so this is what we have. Whenever price breaks, like I said, this trend line here, you pay attention to buy it. GBPAUD new pair. Weekly chart also for me without clean situation. We have this trend line where price retested. If we draw trend line from the bottom, you see that everything here was broken. We can draw this, it's with the spike, so we can also draw that. It's quite visible here. If we draw resistance, so it might look like a big this wedge. we will see. We are sitting right now on the 36, so it also looks like a 1 to 3, but funny 1 to 3 because we have already this try to go up, and now we have that. So this is like, we like to say, sneaky 1 to 3. So let's go to lower time frames to see what is happening there. And what is interesting also here is this daily short 1 to 3. Okay, price is making lower lows. We also have, if we draw a line here, we will see that it's making with the 3 touches. We adjust it like that. Yes, we will get this trend line here. So area of the resistance is also here. You see this whole zone is the resistance. So price already retested. If I zoom out, you will see this. So what is interesting, of course, this short scenarios to target this trend line previous bottom. This still might be around 200 pips. So this zone here, and the next zone is lower down here. So we go to 4-hour chart, and it will be similar to Euro Aussie. As you can see, if I go to 1-hour chart, but here it's clearly visible that it's not making new lower low, as you can see. So I really would like to, I wouldn't jump in here. For me, too aggressive. If you like low risk, you can enter. I would really prefer to see clearly that price stays below and then short scenarios. And in this case, I wouldn't take those longs here. It's a little bit too funny, so I would clearly wait for those short scenarios here. GP New Zealand weekly time frame is making for us weekly long 1 to 3, as you can see here. Okay, so it's making this. We have this big white candle right now. However, it's also looks like a spiky candle. If this continues to go up, we also have this trend line. And the next previous resistance, previous top is our goal. Daily chart was interesting because there we have the period where price was not moving much, and then now suddenly broke this zone. So if we have breakout, I would like to see retracement. You can look for daily retracement and look for long scenarios and target previous top. Or 4-hour chart is making the setup. If this is the last stop, as you can see, yeah. So of this possible, range here. Yeah? So we have this breakout right now. It's in making. So if this holds, maybe we'll get spike, and then we'll get clearly that price doesn't want to go down, but will start to break. This is your opportunity to take it on the 4-hour chart, stop loss below somewhere, and of course target previous stop. Other thing is you can combine this with lower time frames. We have nice line here. So 1-hour chart long 1 to 3, 15-minute 1 to 3. Depends, of course, on your trading plan. If price decide to go lower, then you will wait for daily. And if dailies create long 1 to 3, this will be our option to buy it. Okay, so this is what we have here. And gold, we said about the breakout. Breakout happened. Okay, breakout happened here. We didn't get signal on the 4-hour chart. There was only signal on the 1-hour chart, but it was retracement to the 12 EMA here. Okay, so but you see, price didn't retrace. Now started to move up. So what we have here, it's, let me just go to higher time frames. Of course, weekly it's still strongly pointing up. We have levels of possible retracement. Daily didn't retrace to the 36. Yeah, just make this false breakout, and it's pointing up. So the question is, if price stays here on the top, or will breaks and continue. Okay, so now on the 4-hour chart, you see we have this. For me, only day trading and scalping, only lower time frames. So I would wait for 1-hour chart retracement, then 5-minute, 1-minute, maybe some Renko charts if you like, target previous stop. Okay, so this is what I see on gold right now. If we get stop and we'll get double top, maybe then we'll be able to again try to look for short scenarios to trade in the retracement back to the 36 trend line, and then maybe even deeper. Okay, so guys, that's all what we have. Of course, we have more in my live trading room. Here we have pairs which are easy to follow. And if you have more questions or you are interested in training, go to the website, to my website link you will find below this video. This is my one-on-one mentorship program website. You can fill up your name, email, send me the message to contact me, so we can speak to see how can I help you. Whenever you sign up to my mentorship program, you will get access also to my live trading room. Here are the prices with some examples, but of course, this is very individual, so that's why I prefer to speak with you first. You can also download my free trading strategy. This is a swing trading strategy, which I personally use, and all the results which you see is exactly with this strategy. And below, if you want to find more details, there are videos where I explain you more our learning process and also example what exactly how I divided my process. I think this is not many of people can give you all the parts which are necessary to benefit in to be long-term successful in trading, because I have technical part which is basically easy to find, planning part also, but there's mindset part. Not many people can teach you how to deal with your emotions, how your brain works, how to find those trading obstacles, where how they basically are created in your mind and why this is happening. So I will guide you through the whole process, give you simple technique to work with that, which I personally also use. So this is not that I just read something. This is from my experience, and if you really apply this, you will start to see changes in your approach in trading. So if you change that, also this and this will start to change slowly. You will see that your perspective will also start to change. You will not have any obstacles. You will be more relaxed in trading. You will be more confident in trading. No pressure. No chasing the trade. Just follow the plan. And yeah. So guys, thanks a lot. Wish you all great Sunday, and we hear soon. Bye.